Hello, fishing enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the details of the ultimate boat cutting board bait table, a must-have marine accessory for any angler. This cutting board measures 21.25 by 13 inches and is crafted from durable, UV-resistant white marine-grade polyethylene, ensuring it won't deform, crack, or absorb any fishy odors during outdoor use. Designed for both left-handed and right-handed users, it features multiple knife holsters and a plier receptacle on both sides, along with a convenient slot on the back for overboard drainage to keep your workspace clean. The innovative multi-angle adjusting arm, made from high-quality marine-grade aluminum alloys, is rust-resistant and features a unique double 360 degrees rotational stopper, making it compatible with most cross-pin-type fishing rod holders. Whether you're cleaning fish, cutting bait, or using it as a serving table or bar drink station, this versatile cutting board is the perfect addition to your boat. Plus, it comes with a handy hanging hole to secure your tools and prevent them from falling into the sea. Easy to assemble with the included screws, this cutting board is ready to enhance your fishing adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.